Yo, what is up, AI fam? Welcome back to Pacey AI. I am Pacey and I am hyped to drop the hottest AI news as of today, May 6, 2025. Grab your tickets to the future because this week is stacked with game-changing updates you cannot miss. From edge AI breakthroughs to tech giants leveling up your devices, let us dive in. Do not forget to smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe so you never miss these fiery updates. Kicking it off, Lumen Technologies and IBM just announced a collab that is about to redefine how businesses deploy AI. They are rolling out Watson's powered solutions optimized for edge computing. Think faster, more secure AI right where you need it, not stuck in a distant cloud. Imagine hospitals crunching data locally for real-time diagnostics or factories tweaking operations on the fly. This is groundbreaking for industries prioritizing speed and privacy. Edge AI is not just coming, it is here, and these powerhouses are leading the charge. Apple is not playing around. Their latest ecosystem upgrades bring AI-powered photo editing, smarter predictive text, and intelligent health monitoring to iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Want to instantly erase photobombs or refine a blurry pic? Boom. Need Siri to tweak your text on the fly? Done. And health-wise, think proactive alerts that keep you in the loop. Apple's bets are clearer than ever. Seamless, integrated AI that just works. No coding, no frustration. The manufacturing sector is flipping the script. New research shows AI adoption soaring, with factories using machine learning to slash production errors, optimize supply chains, and churn out smarter products. Imagine robots tweaking assembly lines in real time or algorithms predicting equipment failures before they happen. This is not just efficiency, it is a full-on digital transformation. Get ready to see Made with AI labels popping up everywhere. That is it for today. Pacey AI signing off. If you love this quick hit of AI action, like, share, and subscribe. Oh, and turn on those notifications. I'll be back with more cutting edge updates. Catch you in the next upload.